Hello everyone, so today's video ay maaga kong pick upin si Thea kasi may dental appointment siya. So nag-decide na si Dad na ituloy yung braces niya para daw may space yung permanent teeth niya or na walang space kaya need niyang i-brace. So good luck to Thea na lang kung makayanan ba niya ang pain kasi for me hindi pa panahon para i-brace siya kasi super bata pa. Okay, let's go drive. Let's go, baby boy. We're picking up Thea, not to the store. Then after we pick her up, we're going to her dental appointment. La 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 la. Stop sign. Lingi sa wala, lingi sa tuo. Go if it's clear. Let's go. Slow down. There's a big hump. Oops. Ang driving distance from home to Thea's school and Freya's school, guys, it's only 3 to 5 minutes. It depends on the traffic. Okay. So, okay guys, so dito na kami sa school today. Tatawagan ko lang yung in charge ng after school program nila sa office para lalabas na siya dito sa gate at hindi ko na kailangang pumasok. Super init. Alright, Tete is coming. Kinabahan yan siya para sa kanyang dental appointment. Willing naman siya magpa-brace. So, hi, ate.
Hi.
I'm filming.
Hi.
Are you nervous or excited?
Neither.
Neither?
Yeah.
How's school?
Okay.
I think you are nervous for your braces today.
Okay.
Are you?
No.
Okay, say hi to my vlog. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here. This is the clinic. Room 204 by Dr. Hossein. Okay, pasok lang tayo.
Alright, so we're checking in. Ayan na, niready na si Thea at yung dental assistant ni Doc. Nagre-ready na sa mga dapat gamitin at mukhang kinabahan na yung pasyente natin.
So let's ask the patient. Are you nervous now that you are in there?
Kung kinabahan ba?
Are you?
Yes, kinabahan daw
She's nervous,
siya. Pero sabi ng Doc at assistant, walang dapat kabahala kasi hindi naman to masakit. Unlike sa adult na braces na maraming procedures. So yan na, patuloy ang pag-asikaso. Yan na si Doc. Ginagawa na yung first procedure, first part ng braces journey niya. Alright, so after doon, dumaan ng Starbucks kasi paborito nila yan. At yan si Bulinggit, chocolate cake pop talaga ang palaging in-order. At si Thea, chocolate croissant. At ako naman, strawberry akay.
Okay guys, so by the way, liwanagin ko lang. Baka nagtataka kayo dyan, bakit ang bata pa ni Anaki mag-brace na. Baka gusto lang kumita ng dentist. So, personal ko si Doc kanina, kailangan ba talaga? So yun, sabi niya kailangan nga kasi yung ipin, permanent teeth ni Thea, hindi lumalabas kasi natatakpan. So kailangan ng may space para doon lalabas si permanent teeth. Kaya kailangan niyang mag-brace. So ang tanong ko kanina rin, hindi ba masakit, makayanan ba niya yung pain? Kasi I had my braces on when I was in the Philippines and it was super annoying and painful. At sabi niya, it's different. The adult and children's braces ay magkaiba. Yung mga adult, yung bones natin matigas na. At saka yung pain tolerance natin, low na. So, mahina na. Kaya, mas masakit yung adult braces kaysa children. So, makayanan lang daw ng anak ko. Okay? So far, medyo bothering sa kanyang lips at sa kanyang skin to skin here. So, may binigay na parang panglagay doon para ma-avoid yung kunting pain. So, we'll see kung totoo ba yung sinasabi ni Doc na ang itrabaho sa brace ni Thea is ang growth ng kanyang permanent teeth, may space na malagyan ng space. So yun lang. Kasi nagtataka talaga ako, kaya ba? Kailangan ba? O kailangan nga. Kasi pinakita yung x-ray ng kanyang ipin. In-explain ni Doc yung mga ngipin na permanent na gusto nang lumabas pero hindi siya makalabas. So yun, naliwanagan ako. Yun lang ang ating video sa araw na ito. Thank you.